Let I be any interval disjoint from -1 to 1. Prove that the function given by f of x is equal to x plus 1 by x is strictly increasing on I. So the interval here is what you guys have to figure out. X belongs to what? Read the question again. Basically, you need to understand this particular phrase. It is a set of real numbers excluding this. That's what it means. Right? This is the disjoint aspect about the question. That is, this is not part of the input values. Now, as usual, we need to figure out f prime of x. From now onwards, I think I will start skipping this, guys. Okay, the very first step would be to find f prime of x, differentiating f of x with respect to x. So this would be 1 and this would be 1 minus 1 by x square, right? So this is on differentiating f of x with respect to x. Then a bit of simplification is required, x square minus 1 by x square. So if you guys are able to, should be able to write this as x plus 1 into x minus 1 by x square. Okay, and now we need to figure out the zeros of f prime of x. So those would be clearly x is equal to -1 and +1. Now the intervals, again we have to prove it. Okay, so we have to take the same set of steps. Intervals under consideration. So that would be from -infinity to -1, -1 to 1, and 1 till infinity. Right? Now, case where x is less than -1. So what happens? F prime of x will be equal to, I think I want to maintain a disciplined manner. So this is clearly negative into negative divided by positive. So which is clearly positive, as the question tells. Then case x is between 1 and -1. So f prime of x is equal to, this first term would be positive while the second term will be negative divided by positive. So this will be negative, as the question tells again. Right? That's what the question is talking about. Case for x greater than 1. So f prime of x will be equal to, this would be positive, and this too would be positive divided by positive. So all in all, this would be positive. Okay. So to conclude, what do we have from above cases? Actually, let me change this. We can tell that f of x is strictly increasing in x belonging to R other than -1 to 1, clearly, right? So that would be your answer. Same approach, just that the question is different. That's it.